Well, hi, everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here as we start off with clear skies out there. Bit of a breezy south and southwest wind will develop today. As you see, the arrows will start to pick up speed there just a little bit here towards the middle part of the day. A lot of sunshine. We might throw in a few late day high level clouds out there, but still a mostly sunny day across much of the area. And very mild, maybe the mildest day of the week ahead. We'll start to slowly thicken up the cloud cover overnight tonight, becoming partly to times mostly cloudy, and those mostly cloudy skies are going to stick around tomorrow. So with tomorrow's cloud cover, at least mostly cloudy skies, not going to be nearly as mild out there. Temperature still above average, but it will be a cooler day on your Tuesday. Not a whole lot of wind. West and northwest winds will only be about 5 to 10 miles per hour. How about today's temperatures, though? This is about as good of a forecast as we'll see all week long. That's the big change in the forecast. If you haven't been paying attention the last couple of days, we have changed things for the rest of this week. Forecast models are shifted a little bit here since I was last on with you on Friday morning. So low to mid 50s for today up north, a bit of a breezy south and southwest wind at 8 to 18 miles per hour. Out to the west, we're looking at temperatures mostly in the 50s, mostly mid and upper 50s, but maybe lower 50s. We're at Ogallala and North Platte. In the south, we're looking at temperatures mid to upper 50s to even near 60 degrees in Phillipsburg. Is 60 possible in the Tri-Cities? I think it's possible, especially Grand Island and Hastings. Kearney may be a little tougher to do so. And then off towards the east, we're looking at temperatures topping out in the lower to mid 50s for the most part, with plenty of sunshine. Next couple of days, well, we do cool it back tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies, upper 40s for highs. So 50 is still certainly possible. In fact, almost every one of these days through Friday, 50 is certainly possible, but I did drop temperatures back a little bit as most forecast models over the last day or two kind of trended a little cooler. Last week, if you were with me, I was talking about how confident I was in temperatures well into the 50s towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and that has changed in the forecast, unfortunately. The only chance of precipitation to speak of is Wednesday afternoon more particularly. Wednesday afternoon, there's a slight chance of some light rain. Not an overly confident chance of precipitation. If we do even see anything, it wouldn't be a lot. This is as a trough makes its way through. So breezes, winds are going to be picking up out of the northwest by Wednesday afternoon. They'll get fairly strong, actually, Wednesday night to Thursday. We could see winds sustained over 20 miles per hour, maybe closer to 25 miles per hour. That said, there's not a lot of cold air with that system, so we don't see big chill coming in on Thursday. Just staying kind of on the somewhat cooler side for this time, or I should say the cooler side of things, just not for this time of the year. Friday, lots of sunshine returning, mostly sunny skies, and that's the first day of winter, but it won't feel like it. It'll feel more like fall out there with highs in the upper 40s. We see another bit of a cool down Saturday and Sunday down into the lower 40s and a bit breezy on Saturday. If you're looking for a Christmas holiday forecast, well, Christmas Eve is Monday and Christmas Day is Tuesday. It looks like more of the same from the weekend. Right now, I would say probably still in the lower 40s, maybe mid 40s out there. And it does look to remain dry for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Following that is where things turn more sketchy. I'm not going to give too many details right now, but it looks like a fairly significant system of some sort could be coming in towards the middle and end of next week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that time frame. Some models have it as a pretty good snowstorm event, but others actually keep us on the warmer side of things, maybe more of a rain and maybe even thunderstorm chance. So it's a long ways out yet. Don't want to give you too many details. I mean, we're still talking 10, 11, 12 days out yet, so we're still a ways away from it. But just letting you know that there's decent confidence that we may actually be hit by something towards the middle and end of next week. But like I said, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, more than likely quiet. And for this time of the year, average high is in the mid-30s. Probably a little bit above average for this time of the year. So there you go. There's your forecast, including the very, very long-range forecast. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Actually, before I wrap up here, I did want to show one more thing here. You know, we've been looking up to the sky recently, of course, the Gemini meteor shower late last week peaking. Well, we have a comet called Wirtanen. Now, this is a comet that was founded back in 1948 by this guy named Wirtanen, and it's a comet that actually passes close to Earth about every 4.5 years or so. It's not a one that travels a long distance. It only travels to around Jupiter and back, so it takes about 4.5 or 5.5 years to come every time it comes by the Earth. Well, the peak was last night of seeing this comet, but you should still be able to see it with the naked eye for most of this week. After that, you'll have to use binoculars or a telescope. But basically, where do you look? Well, first off, skies look to be mostly clear this evening, so tonight would be a good chance to look if you didn't look last night. Look towards the east initially this evening as Orion is rising. It's going to be very close to Orion. Now, Orion is the one of the belt of 3 stars. So you look fairly close to that. You kind of look just off the edge of that belt. And you'll look for a little bit of a faint green glow in the sky, and that is that comet. Now, this comet doesn't have a long tail like in the picture there. This comet, because of the ice, actually it gets close enough to the sun, the ice melts, so it doesn't leave a long tail. And it's a very small comet, actually. So but because it is passing so close to Earth, you're able to see it still. Now, again, it's not in danger of hitting the Earth or anything like that. It's not that close. You can see 7.1 million miles away, but still close enough that you can see it with the naked eye for the next several days to come. So get out there and see it, especially if you're a stargazer. Kind of a cool thing to see. So with that, I'm going to let you all go. Hope you all do have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you all again on Tuesday morning. Enjoy the mild Monday. Take care. Bye.